friends, welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my channel, and today we are doing some Cocomelon decorations. If you have a little one that loves Cocomelon, I have great ideas for you to get you started on a fun Cocomelon party. Let's get started with blowing up some balloons. Now we're going to work on some flower balloons. I'm taking each balloon and putting them in between the slits on the balloon clips, and then you just put one in the middle and then you have a flower balloon, and we just have a lot of different ones in different colors. And here are some Cocomelon balloons that we're going to use also. Let's get our curtain fringe up. This is going to be our backdrop. We're going to use blue in the middle, and then we're going to put red up on either side of the backdrop. And here's the red curtain fringe we're going to use. I'm going to fold it in half, and I'm going to go ahead and use tacks and tapes to get it hung up. Next, we're going to put the flower balloons up. I am using double-sided masking tape to put on the back of the balloons to help them stick to the backdrop. And now let's add our other curtain fringe. This is the other red one. We're going to fold that in half also and put it on the other side of the backdrop. And after we get this up, we're going to go ahead and add the rest of our flower balloons. Okay friends, and here are a few fans we're going to add. We're just going to put them together with some paper clips, and then we're just going to take tacks to help put them on the backdrop. Okay, and now it's time to add the Cocomelon Happy Birthday banner. And now we're going to add our Cocomelon balloons. Now we're going to add a few more fans to the backdrop. And here are the results for our Cocomelon party decorations. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button, hit that subscribe button and notification bell for my video uploads on Fridays. Make sure you check out some of my other birthday videos, and have a royal day.